Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're going to talk about the Investizo. Tight spread, real trading. But before that guys, let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment and review purposes only. So always do your own research before doing anything else because crypto has a risk and invest what you can afford to lose always. So without further ado, let's get into it. First things first, let's create an account guys. Create a new account and put your country here, full name, phone number, email address, password, and then click this agreement and just register guys. Simple as that. Okay guys, so the Investitos offers two different accounts. The real standard suitable for the beginners and the real ECN is designed for the experienced or advanced users. Okay guys, so let me add up this. There are also additional services such as copy trading and PAMM accounts which allows user to follow experienced traders. On these accounts, you can copy trades of successful and verified traders and earn alongside them. This is also free BPN and VNC available guys. And also guys, you can trade a raw and stock here at the Investo Trading guys. Okay? So let's see this trading platform here. So this is the Investiso Trading platform. Any currency you can find it's here guys. Okay? So the indies, currency, the cryptocurrency, metals, energy, CFDs, and the indices. Okay, guys? You can follow the chart right here. Okay, how it is going to perform. Also, the cryptocurrency metals also available here. The gold one, guys, the XAUSSD, XAGUSD, XAUEUR, and the XAGEUR, guys. Okay, guys, so Investiso is very simple to use. For example, let's pick some currency here, the ETH or maybe the BTC. Guys, let's have the new market order here. So market order, pending order. So let's try to add up and then you can also set your take profit here, guys. And also the stop loss. So this is important, guys. You can manage your stop loss and then the take profit. Okay? So keep that in mind. In Investizo, you can open a new account guys. The MT4 standard perfectly suits for robot trading with expert advisors, commission of broker included in spread through markup, 5 decimal codes, floating spread, no recoats. So MT4 ECN get access to deep liquidity from the top tier LPs account with the raw spread, no hidden commissions, 5 decimal codes, floating spread, no recoats guys. You can choose MT4 to MT5 demo and a real account guys. Currency available is the USD and the leverage starts from 1:1 up to 1:1000 ratio guys. You can easily monitor the chart here guys, the buy and sell of this current token guys, like the sellers and the buyers percentage here, your funds at the top. And also guys, here at Investiso, under the investment, you can also see some traders and you can copy trade this person guys. Okay? For example, this Blue Whale Capital guys, you can also see his chart here. Okay? Statistic, trading instrument, and this description of this trader guys. And also here at the left side, account type MT4 or real CN, total growth, and the monthly growth performance guys of this trader. If you want to choose this trader guys, just click the invest in trader. Okay? So copy trading, copy the trades of successful traders and earn from day one. Or provide your profitable trading for copying and get additional income in the form of commission guys. Okay? Just click the copy trading. Okay? So investment amount, proportional, copy size, and then stop loss. So you can choose the fixed volume percentage and then your amount here guys. For example, 500. Okay? But let me remind you guys that some of the trader has a minimum deposit guys, like 100, 500, or 300. Okay? It depends on the copy trader guys or that trader itself. So how to start? So another question guys, 3 steps towards successful trading with our capital. The number 1 is the challenge, the initial evaluation. So achieve 10% profit without exceeding 5% daily drawdown and maintaining profit consistency not less than 60%. So profit target 10%, max drawdown 5%, and the profit stability is 60%. So step 2 verification, Frobin's consistency achieved 10% profit also has a profit target of 10%, and the profit stability is 80%. And the next one, or the stage 3 guys, is the social trader funded account. Also have a chip about 10% profit without exceeding and the profit target of 10%. You can start your challenge here. The minimum trading per day, max loss, scalability of profit, max daily loss, and the profit target, guys. You can start your challenge and train yourself here, guys. Okay? So, start small and earn big. Invest a little of $10 and get the opportunity to trade accounts up to 200,000. Our app gives you the chance to reach a new level. You can start with minimal investment and gain access to large accounts with the potential for huge profit, guys. But let me remind you that this is not a financial advice. So always and always do your own research before doing anything else, because I'm not your financial advisor, guys. I'm just here to review a platform and give an entertainment for you guys. So always do your own research before you invest what you can afford to lose, guys. You can click the start button here. So complete our first challenge and show that you are ready for big money. Earn 10%, maximum daily loss 5%. Okay, so advantage. So opportunity to showcase your skill, accounts up to 200k. Cost of the stage, 1% of the selected management account. Step 2, you pass the first challenge. Now prove your scalability. Okay? The next is the real trading. Now all the profit is yours, up to 80% from each successfully trade. So the requirement has the manage an account up to 200k. And the advantage of this, guys, is up to 80% from each successfully trade opportunity to reach a new level in trading. Just complete this one and that's it, guys. Okay? You can choose your account starting from 5 up to 200k, guys. And then you can just start the challenge. And also, guys, they have the BPS server. They have the basic, the advanced BPS, and the pro BPS. The minimum for basic is 300 and then the advanced is 500, and the Pro BPS that has a 4GB and NVMe SSD 50GB more than 1,000 USD is required, guys. So the fee is charged on the last day of the month. If there are insufficient funds, the service is disconnected from the first of the following month, guys. Okay? So they also have the prop here and the payments. Okay, you can see the deposit and the withdrawal right here, guys. Deposit by BEP20 USDT, the trades, okay, and your affiliate itself, guys. Okay, so this is your affiliate program. This is very important that you can share it to your friend. So just click the I have read and accept this partnership, guys. Okay, you have your campaign here, your clients, partners, commission, payouts, analytics, and documents, guys. Okay, so I think that's all about this investor. If you like this video, guys, comment down below, like this video, guys. Okay, share it to your friends and always do your own research. Again, this is Crypto Sane. Bye-bye.